is it? These are the ingredients. Tomato, chopped onion, chopped garlic, dry thyme,
Duduk
and...
satu-satu, ulang sebentar ya.
Ma, semuanya, lihat. Hello guys, me again Jana. Do you know what I'm making today?
It's tomato pasta.
No, cheese pasta. Take a look at this pasta. It's like animals. These are the ingredients. Animal pasta, tomato, cheese cubes, chopped onion, chopped garlic, and what's this? Dry thyme. This one what? Chopped parsley, corn. This one oil, butter, and cream. Now look at this. Oh Naya, I need that one. Yeah. First we will boil the pasta until they are soft. Is it ready? Ready. It's starting to boil, Ma. This is shaped like a bee's body. It's time to dump the pasta, all of them. All the pasta are in the water. Look at this. I will add a little bit of salt. This much?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit salty.
Mama have to pour oil ya.
What's oil?
Oil helps the pasta don't stick to each other.
Yeah, oil helps cookies don't stick together. Is that right? Oil is for food not sticking together. Ma, is it ready?
Not yet.
Is it done? Sprinkles. All of them?
So yummy.